In this video, I'll show you how to report someone on Facebook Marketplace. Open up the Marketplace and find the listing with the person that you'd like to report. From here, you can either report the listing or you can report the seller. So, to report the listing, open it up and in the top right, press on the three dots beside the magnifying glass. That'll open up this menu and you'll see the bottom one says report listing. Tap on that and then press continue. Facebook will then open up the report page, which will let you choose what you want to report. So you simply tap on whatever it is you want to report. So to report the seller, scroll down on the listing and press seller details, and then to the right of the view profile button you should see three dots. Press on those three dots and then come down to press report and then continue, and then from here you can report the seller. So if this scams you, you would simply tap scam and that would generate the report. So that's how to report someone on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching.